So our mission is to bring mobile manipulating robots into our everyday lives. And one of the big opportunities is to bring the flexibility that's inherent in mobile robots into the material handling industry. You have very expensive, highly designed ASRS systems, which are very expensive and fixed, but they're very good for high velocity applications. And then you have on the other end of the spectrums, robots that are transporting goods and working together with humans. We believe in the hybrid approach, where we're taking out both the expense related to transporting goods, but also picking goods within a warehouse. And it gives a broader range of the market access to automation to help them alleviate shortages that are occurring around labor. So we're one of the few companies in the space that's doing both transportation and actual picking or manipulation. And we are the only company that's able to do individual piece picking for e-commerce applications. And so this robot behind me is actually taking orders from a warehouse management system that's processing e-commerce orders online. And as those orders come in, we're filling individual totes. So the robots are doing the shopping for individuals. In the US alone, Americans spend about 40 billion hours a year shopping in retail stores. And so as we move a lot of that shopping online, somebody has to do that inside the warehouse, and there's not enough labor to do that. Therefore, we have robots. Now, culture is very important to IAM Robotics. First of all, we look for people who not only are the best in their field or in their discipline, but people who've had practical experience. We're a company of tinkerers, and that leads to our innovative culture. And so we like to look for people who have actually participated in robotic competitions and worked hands-on in these types of technologies. So from a technology perspective, we are building teams around perception, robotic controls, path planning. We need to add to our software team, and we're also looking for skilled mechanical engineers and electrical engineers. We're also building out our commercialization team. So we'll continue to add people as product developers as we expand the breadth of products that we're offering. We're adding salespeople, and then most importantly, as we're putting these into the field with our customers, we're looking for field support techs. I just released a survey that after several years of decline in investment in this space, we saw a 95% increase in 2019 in the investment in robotics and automation. And one of the reasons for that is that the technologies now have been around and we're exiting an experimental phase. And a lot of companies like IAM Robotics are building out proving out our business and use cases. And so this industry has had several years to test through pilots and proof of concepts, and now they're starting to make those investments. And this is an imperative for businesses today because of the looming labor shortage. People cannot find enough labor to do mundane tasks like our robots are performing behind me. Hiring is always a challenge for any company, and it's especially so a company that's accelerating quickly, and even more so in an industry like robotics where we have specialized needs. So we are very much interested in sources like Robots.Jobs that can help us identify talent. And we offer an opportunity to work in an exciting company, to challenge yourself, to move to a community like Pittsburgh where you can have a balanced life and really make a difference in solving difficult problems.